If your Netflix has some movies or shows missing, there is a chance that restrictions are turned on. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check if restrictions are enabled on Netflix using your Android phone. Let's get started. Open the Netflix app, make sure you're signed in. Now choose a profile to get into. Go to My Netflix from the bottom. Then tap on the three-line icon in the top right corner. Tap Manage Profiles. Now tap the profile that you suspect has a restriction enabled. Tap on Viewing Restrictions. Here you can check all your restrictions. You have the maturity rating and the blocked titles like shows, movies, or games. Choose whatever you like. You may get prompted to verify yourself, so finish that up. Now you can manage your restrictions for your specific profile easily. And that's it. That's how you check if restrictions are enabled on your Netflix account using an Android phone. If this guide helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.